Hi gorgeous, I hope you're doing well. Today I am long overdue, I'm well aware, but it is finally the day that we test the Makeup Forever HD Skin Matte Velvet Foundation. We are doing a full 8-hour wear test, so let's just hop right into it. Okay, so I already have my concealer on. I definitely went ahead and covered the liquid portion of my makeup routine today. Everything else that I put on my face will be powder. Now, let's do this. Makeup Forever. This is technically called the Makeup HD Skin Matte Velvet Blurring Undetectable for 24 hours. Blurring Powder Foundation. It is supposedly full coverage, and we all know that this bad boy went viral. And we all know what that means. It means nothing. But, it should mean that this is a wonderful, beautiful product. But, yeah, take that with a grain of salt. And it is hot in here, so we're going to see how this foundation does with a little sweat. Okay, so this $43 foundation comes in 32 shades. It is a pressed powder formula with a matte finish. Long wearing, it said 24 hours. Waterproof, that should fix my sweat problem, and it is full coverage. It says it's best for oily, combination, and normal skin. So if you have dry skin, obviously you can of course still use it, but proceed with caution. It is a lightweight, medium to full coverage powder foundation that blurs the look of imperfection and mattifies for up to 24 hours for a natural, real skin finish. Its highlighted ingredients is a trio blur complex, which visibly reduces the appearance of texture immediately for up to 24 hours. So let's go right in. Obviously you saw that it does come with a powder sponge for us to use. Mine is still in its little protective case, and it also has a mirror on the inside, which is always nice. You can put it in your pocketbook and, on the go. I bought this online during the Sephora VIB sale, so of course I will wear test this for you. I'm gonna wear it all day, sister, but it may not be a perfect match, which is okay because, I'm doing it for you. For you. When it's all nice and new like this, I hate ruining it with the product, but whatever. Oh my gosh, very smooth. And then this side says Makeup Forever. So the first thing that I'm noticing that I really, really like is it does not look powdery. That's my main flaw with a powder foundation. I don't want to look like I sneezed into a bucket of flour. It is definitely blurring. And this shade may be a little too dark for me, but like I said, it doesn't matter. But I do want to acknowledge and let you know that yes, I'm well aware. It's not the perfect match. Should have went a little lighter, but it goes on like a dream. Like very easy to just swipe it on and then give it a few swipes to spread it. And it has a very nice blurred look. It does look really blurring. I'm gonna pat it on here as to not mess up the concealer. Okay, that does look really good. No foundation. So the color shade match honestly isn't the worst. Okay. The blurring aspect is absolutely there. That claim is spot on. This is gorgeous, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, it does look super skin-like. Like this would be a really good, well, let me take a picture of it before I actually claim this, but what I was gonna say was wedding foundation. Well, we'll need to take a little selfie before I say this would make a good one, but okay, yeah, that's she's cute. She's cute. Now let's go in with the brush on this side. It's just a foundation brush from the Sephora collection. Very nice, dense brush. And same thing. Just gonna pick up the product, swipe it on, and then press. It's almost like a powder to cream. So there is a little bit of kickback in the compact, but it's not so much like for a powder foundation. I'm actually really impressed at how well it's transitioning from compact to brush or sponge, whatever you're using. She's really pretty. She is really pretty. See how well that goes on? Like, it's not powdery, though it is a powder foundation. Like, it just glides on as if it were a cream product. And then it just, as you swipe, it's just blurring everything. Like, look at my skin. She's cute. She's cute. Hold on. So obviously there is a slight mismatch. Yes, she's a little too dark, especially right now. I haven't been to the pool. It's not quite warm enough, but yeah, I would have gone maybe 2 shades lighter. But it's still, like, it doesn't look bad at all. It's not a bad match. It's just definitely off. I do want to acknowledge that I know that. Now, let me finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back and we'll start this wear test. I do want to show you up close. This is what she looks like. Get real close, you can see. Golly, these cameras show every freaking pore. Whatever. This is up close and personal, and yes, she is smoothing things over. We look good. Okay, just trust me. Now, I'll be right back. Okay, gorgeous. So, this is the finished makeup look of the day. We love it. I've been playing with new makeup that I got from the Sephora VIB sale, and I honestly, like, I don't think I've purchased anything that I really dislike. So pretty. Anyways, we are focusing on the Makeup Forever powder foundation. That looks gross. Sorry. And we're going to wear this bad boy for 8 hours. I'm not going to touch it. No touch-ups. No nothing. I'm just going to let it do whatever it wants to. And I will check back. It is 12:32. So I'll see you at 8:30. You guys, it is time for the final check-in. I have been wearing the Makeup Forever foundation, powder foundation, for 8+ hours now. And let's be real, this looks gorgeous. Especially from, obviously, a distance. We look good. It's not even as oily as I had expected. Like, what was the last one I just tried? Oh, that was the Givenchy, but that was the concealer. Anyways, this still looks very fresh, very nice, lightweight. Like, look. Now, with the magnified mirror, of course, you know I had to look real up close and personal. I do see there is blurring going on. Let me let it focus. And ignore my lips because I didn't touch up anything. But there is blurring going on, but it's not near as blurred as what it was when I first started. This is also what we're seeing in natural light. Oh, look at my blush. But so this is up close, personal. And honestly, she still looks really good. So I get it. I will, you know, throw up my white flag and, you know, trying to break, you know, just because somebody says it's viral doesn't mean this product. I totally get it. It is beautiful and I will definitely be wearing it. Like, that might turn into my go-to glam foundation. Like, I'm not going to say it absolutely will, but it just might. So, yeah, that's beautiful. Truly. I will get a lighter shade too. Like, I'm really excited about that foundation. Stunning, Holly totally approves, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.